Hey everyone, Nicole here with CellBotics. So I want to take a minute and give you some first insider's look into the new location in Atlanta. Now it is going through a remodel, so I figured it'd be real fun to show you guys some photos and then when it's all done, show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So right about now, I'm going to go ahead and start putting those photos into the video. And as you can see, there's carpet, which is like a big no-no for me. I know a lot of shop owners, they don't have a problem with carpet. A lot of people in the electronics industry, they don't have a problem with carpet. But just because we've done large commercial accounts, and I understand static and ESD and all of these things, and maybe it doesn't really relate to a shop. I mean, if a shop is doing repairs like on the lower level, maybe some of our commercial clients are doing 100,000 repairs a month, you know, and they have these big, huge facilities and they have to be OSHA guidelines as far as grounding. And so since I see that, I kind of translated that into my own business, even though there's a lot of people out there in the industry that would say, oh, static doesn't affect devices, but I've actually seen it. So I don't need to argue the point with people. So for me, I don't like a space that has carpet. So the deal is, you know, we're getting the space, but all the carpet is going to be pulled up, okay? Also in the kitchen, there is some old cabinets and like this ancient dishwasher. Like, I don't know who needs a dishwasher in an office space, and definitely that thing, I have no idea. But so they're going to be pulling that out. And then there's like an office adjacent to the break room that has a door, but then the wall is open. So it's kind of weird. It's like walking into a door and then looking over and the wall's open. Like, why did you go through the door, right? So there's going to be a wall going up, and that's going to become an office. There are two bathrooms, which I love because this is like a male-dominated industry. And let's not get into like gender roles, like, you know, who wants to use a bathroom. I don't want to get into that. I'm not preventing certain people from using the bathroom or whatever. I just like that there's two bathrooms because most of the people that come are men, and they would just have like a few women, you know, and so we can make the bathroom really nice, you know, put lotions and perfumes, which I have now in the bathroom. So it kind of looks like half bathroom, half beauty parlor, you know. So I'm really excited about the two bathrooms. And we just have a lot more space. We have two main entrances, which is great. We're gonna be putting up like a half wall at one of them. And so I just wanted to give you guys like a sneak peek at the new space. And then stay tuned, because as things change and as the space gets remodeled, I'll definitely be posting photos for you guys. All right, hope to see you in Atlanta. You can go online and start booking for our Atlanta location. We start in January, so any class January and on is going to be in Atlanta. If you're watching this and you have classes scheduled in November and December, don't worry, those are still going on in Greenville. If for some reason you want to push them up to January, you can, or further out if you feel like you'd rather travel to Atlanta. We're really working with people here. So I'm so excited for the new space, and I hope you guys enjoy the photos. Please like and subscribe. Bye.